Are you wondering how your dream design will look? Get all the inspiration you need right here. If you are the first time here and you love design, subscribe to join the design family. Have you ever wondered what is the right TV size for your room? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com. Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.